Uncover how to optimize your data pipelines by learning efficient data ingestion workflows using Apache NiFi. Master setting up pipelines, configuring processors, and leveraging data provenance for a seamless experience. Did you know that Apache NiFi can drastically cut down the time spent on manual data processing? Welcome to our channel, where today, we'll delve into the world of Apache NiFi and how it revolutionizes data ingestion. As data grows exponentially, managing it efficiently becomes crucial. Apache NiFi is your best friend in automating data flows, reducing errors, and ensuring seamless data integration. Stay tuned as we guide you through setting up your first data ingestion pipeline, configuring processors for various data sources, and utilizing templates to standardize workflows. We'll also explore how to monitor and manage data flow efficiently, leverage data provenance for tracking, and implement security best practices. Get ready to transform your data management approach with Apache NiFi.
Let's jump right into setting up Apache NiFi. Begin by downloading the latest version from the official Apache website. Once installed, you can access the user interface through your web browser. The NiFi UI is intuitive, featuring a drag-and-drop interface that simplifies creating data flows. Familiarize yourself with key components such as processors, connections, and process groups. To start, create a basic flow by dragging a processor onto the campus. Configure it to fetch data from a local file and output it to another location. This simple setup demonstrates NiFi's core functionality. Remember, proper configuration is key to a successful setup. Ensure your system settings align with NiFi's requirements for optimal performance. Apache NiFi comes with a rich library of processors, each designed to handle specific data tasks. From fetching data from an API to processing data from a database, NiFi's processors are versatile. Let's explore configuring processors for different data sources. For instance, when handling database data, use the Execute SQL processor to fetch and transform data. For API data, configure the Invoke HTTP processor. Each processor has specific properties you need to set, such as URLs, database connections, or file paths. Pay attention to these details to ensure your data flows smoothly. Troubleshooting configurations can be challenging, but following NiFi's documentation and community forums can provide quick solutions. Creating templates in Apache NiFi is a powerful way to standardize workflows. Templates allow you to save a configured data flow and reuse it across different projects or share it with team members. This not only saves time but also ensures consistency and reduces errors. To create a template, select the components you want to include, right-click and choose Create Template. Give it a meaningful name and description. Templates can be customized to suit specific project needs, and they help enforce organizational best practices. By using templates, you streamline processes, making it easier to manage and scale data pipelines.
Monitoring and managing data flow efficiently is crucial to maintaining a robust data pipeline. Apache NiFi offers built-in tools to help you monitor data flow in real time. The Data Provenance and Bulletin Board features provide insights into data processing and identify potential issues. Use these tools to track data lineage and diagnose problems quickly. Adjust processor and connection settings to optimize performance and resolve bottlenecks. Regularly review NiFi's status history to gain insights into system performance and make informed decisions to improve efficiency. With these monitoring capabilities, managing your data flow becomes more straightforward and less time-consuming. Data provenance is a critical feature of Apache NiFi, offering transparency and traceability in data processing. It allows you to track the journey of data through your pipeline, providing insights into its origin, transformations, and destination. This information is invaluable for auditing, compliance, and troubleshooting. To access provenance data, simply click on a processor and select Data Provenance. This opens a detailed view of each data flow file's history. Analyzing this data helps you identify issues, improve data quality, and ensure compliance with regulatory standards. Leveraging data provenance not only enhances accountability but also optimizes your data management strategy.
Security in data ingestion is paramount to protect sensitive information and maintain trust. Apache NiFi provides robust security features to safeguard your data flows. Start by encrypting data at rest and in transit. Implement access controls to restrict permissions based on roles and responsibilities. Regularly update and patch your NiFi system to protect against vulnerabilities. Use NiFi's monitoring tools to detect and respond to suspicious activities promptly. Additionally, educate your team on security protocols and best practices to ensure everyone is aware of potential risks. By integrating these security measures, you create a secure and reliable data ingestion process. As your data needs grow, scaling your workflows becomes essential. Apache NiFi supports clustering, allowing you to distribute data processing across multiple nodes. This setup improves load balancing and ensures high availability. To configure a NiFi cluster, start by setting up a cluster manager and connecting multiple nodes. Ensure each node is correctly configured to communicate with the manager. Clusters enable horizontal scaling, expanding your processing capacity as needed. Optimize performance by fine-tuning cluster settings and monitoring system metrics. By leveraging NiFi's clustering capabilities, you can efficiently manage large-scale data operations, ensuring your pipelines can handle increased data loads without compromising performance. Congratulations on mastering the essentials of data ingestion with Apache NiFi. Today, we've covered setting up basic data flows, configuring processors, leveraging templates, and ensuring security and scalability. NiFi offers an unparalleled solution for simplifying and optimizing data pipelines, reducing manual interventions, and enhancing data management efficiency. We encourage you to apply these skills in your projects and explore the advanced capabilities NiFi offers. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth content on data management. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into advanced NiFi functionalities.